exploring the phrase, go cross-country, an English learning journey. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, go cross-country. This phrase is not just about travel. It's a window into English culture and idiomatic expressions. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Go cross-country is an intriguing phrase that can be broken down into two parts, go and cross-country. The word go is a verb that implies movement or travel. Cross-country, on the other hand, is an adjective that describes something that spans a nation or goes from one side of a country to the other. When combined, the phrase typically refers to traveling across large distances, often through different terrains and landscapes, within a country. 1. Literal use. In its most literal sense, go cross-country means to travel overland across a country, usually in a straight or direct path. It often involves traveling through various regions, terrains, or even across states. 2. Sporting context. In sports, especially in running or skiing, cross-country refers to racing over natural terrain. Going cross-country, in this context, means participating in such races, which are often long-distance and challenging. 3. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, go cross-country can describe a nonlinear or unconventional path in life or career. It implies going through varied experiences and challenges rather than following a straight, predictable path. 1. Travel. Last summer, we decided to go cross-country and explored the entire coast of California. 2. Sports. She's an athlete who loves to go cross-country skiing in the Alps. 3. Metaphorical. His career path wasn't straightforward. He went cross-country, trying different jobs before finding his passion. In many English-speaking countries, particularly in the United States, the phrase, go cross-country, resonates with a sense of adventure and exploration. It reflects a cultural value of independence and the exploration of diverse landscapes and experiences. This phrase is emblematic of a journey that's not just about the destination, but also about the journey itself. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, go cross-country. We hope this video has enlightened you on the versatility and richness of this English expression. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about understanding the culture and context behind them. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of the English language.